Need to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Whether you're fixing software issues, preparing to sell it, or starting fresh, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process safely and easily. To get started, unlock your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Tap the gear icon to enter the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find General Management and tap on it. Inside the General Management menu, select Reset. You'll see several reset options, but for a complete wipe, tap Factory Data Reset. The next screen will display a summary of all the accounts, downloaded apps, and data that will be removed from your device. Take a moment to review this information carefully. When you're ready to continue, scroll to the bottom and tap Reset. For security purposes, your phone will ask you to enter your current PIN, password, or pattern lock. If your Samsung account is linked to the device, you may also need to verify your account credentials. This step helps protect your phone from unauthorized resets. After verification, tap Delete All to confirm your decision. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will automatically power off and begin the reset process. This may take several minutes. Once completed, the phone will restart and display the welcome screen just like it did when it was brand new. Thanks for watching. Your Galaxy S25 Ultra has been successfully factory reset.